Now that we have a three-dimensional surface, it's time to set up surface approximation. Toggle edged faces on by pressing F4. The tessellation presets, low, medium, and high, look like this. I'd like to go a little bit higher than the high preset displays. I'll set the angle at 5 degrees. That gives us some additional triangles in the most curved areas. I'll set up the renderer to use the high preset. Notice that the high preset here has even lower numbers than we see in the viewport setting. This gives even more tessellation in the renderer. Let's make a test render and see how it looks. Very nice and smooth. I'll toggle edged faces off. And let's get on with the 3D modeling. I'll close these rollouts. The next thing I want to do is create an offset surface, and its tool is right here. You can also find that down here. Notice that the rollout gives you a little bit more information. It tells you that an offset surface is a dependent surface. And that's a clue. Here I will pick this surface and drag it up or down to offset a surface. In this case, I'll drag it down a little bit. I'll scroll all the way down here, and you'll see that there's an additional rollout for this tool called Offset Surface. I'll offset it -1 inch. Exactly. And I'll flip the normals so that it's visible from underneath. It's a dependent surface, so the curvature of that is controlled by this surface on top. That means that if I go to the surface CV level, I'm only going to see the CVs from my independent surface. If I make any changes, it will automatically propagate to the dependent surface. Let's just check that out. I'll go into the left viewport, grab some CVs, and make a change. And you can see that the offset surface automatically conforms to that. And this is one of the beauties of NURBS, is the fact that the dependent surfaces are connected to your independent surface.